Before I actually start the bike up, Eric, I believe, asked how the sprocket and disc brake was actually set up on this thing. And all it is just what I think 6 bolts going through the disc brake into the sprocket with a small, I can't really get my phone in there. There's a small spacer in between, right in there. It just kind of separates the two to keep the actual disc brake system and everything out of the way of the chain. And it works pretty good. I actually really like it. I'm kind of surprised I never thought about trying to do something like this. But anyway, let you guys listen to her run. Turn it on. It's quiet. It's definitely a very pretty looking bike.